my channel Dhyan Irani, and today's video is going to be a really exciting video. It's going to be really interesting because I'm going to use only 5 products to do my makeup. It's my day to go makeup, it's a night to go makeup, like when you're in a hurry and you have to go out, like your friends knocking on the door and oh my god, I don't have time to get ready. So this makeup will really help you. So here are the products which I'll be using, are really very useful and are very easily available. You can get it on your supermarket, you can get it from Nykaa, you can get it in anywhere. I think you can even get it from your local stores, not even supermarkets. And the main thing is, this is only 7-minute video. Get ready within 7 minutes. The least time you need to get ready is this video, which what you will see today. So the products which I'll be using today for my video is only 5 products. The first thing that I'll be using is this Pond's BB cream. I love this Pond's BB cream. It's in the shade Beach. I'm MAC NC30 and the shade Beach suited me like hell. Oh my god, I love this product totally. Seriously, this is a magical product for me, and it has got SPF 30 PA++, so that it can you don't need an extra sunscreen for in the daytime, and nighttime also. Nighttime you don't need sunscreen anyway, and daytime also it will help as a sunscreen, and it will help cover your blemishes also. It covers my blemishes. And in a hurry you don't need extra those makeup put on and like blending and all this stuff, so you don't need. The second thing which I'll be using for my eyebrow is my favorite Etude House eyebrow pencil. This Etude House eyebrow pencil, it comes with a spoolie like this and the eyebrow pencil side, so it helps in the both cases. You can use it as a dual purpose, because making a proper eyebrow actually totally changes the game. Trust me, you drawing a beautiful eyebrow is everything you need. And the next thing that I'll be using is this one. This is heaven. Trust me, this is heaven. This is a lip and cheek stain from the Body Shop. It's in the shade Pink Hibiscus, and this is which I'm going to use for my cheek and for my eyes. I'll show you in the video. It's beautiful. And finally, and the final and the last product that I'll be using is nothing but lipstick. And this lipstick is from Lakme 925 in the shade Blush Velvet. It's a nudish, pinkish, mauvish color. I totally love this color. So without wasting much more time, let's move on to the video. Let's begin with the video. I'll be starting off with my Pond's BB cream. This is the shade Beach. I'll just put it over my hand, and then what I will be doing, it's very easy. You don't need a makeup brush. I'll be dotting it all over my face, just like that, on your cheeks or your chin, and even on your forehead. Don't miss your forehead, because that also comes in the part. So after that, the magic of your hands, you don't need a blender this time. Actually, basically, while doing a makeup, while blending anything on your skin, you don't need a blender or any kind of brushes or anything. If you're technically, you can use your hands properly. And one thing to remember while blending the BB cream or foundation, whatever on your face, always blend it downwards. Blending downwards makes it looks even better and even toned on your skin, just like I'm doing. And I think I'm already done with my BB cream, and you can see it. This is the first step of my makeup, of the 5 product makeup video. So after this one, I'll be using my Etude House eyebrow pen for doing my eyebrows. Trust me, drawing a perfect eyebrow totally changes the game, and it will do the same for you. I'll first use the spoolie side of the eyebrow, and I'll just brush my eyebrows a little bit. Then after this, I will be using the other side, that is the pen side of the eyebrow pencil, and slowly and with steady hands I'll be drawing my eyebrows carefully, because drawing your eyebrows carefully is the main thing in the eyebrow game. Because if a little thing goes wrong, it can totally ruin your look. So be very careful while drawing your eyebrows, and fill your eyebrows properly with the pencil. Don't overdo it, go natural, because whenever you'll be again brushing your eyebrows with the spoolie, it will automatically make it look even and smoother, and it'll look like your natural brows are like that. You don't want to look like a drag queen, right? I'm not insulting any drag queen. I love drag queen looks, but it's a natural look. So in that case, you want to have a natural looking eyebrow. So that's what I'm doing. It's very easy. You can see Just like that, fill your eyebrows. And when I'm done with this one, I'll be again brushing my eyebrows to keep it in a proper shape. Yay! I'm done with my eyebrows. See? Yes, and then now in the next step, the third product that I'll be using is the Lip and Cheek Stain from the Body Shop. This is heaven. As I said before, this is heaven for me. So what I'll be doing, I'll just put few drops on my cheeks. And again, the magic of hands. Just tap it. Tap, 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 and blend it. It gives a beautiful sheen, a light glow from the inside, like you already have a natural pink cheeks. The same tint I'll be using for my eyelids also. It'll just give it a little pinkish hint to my eyebrows. I mean eyelids, and it'll look good, it'll look pinkish, it'll look natural. You see, just blend it like this. Wow, I can't believe we're already done with the third step. Now, the fourth step is the liner. Here I'm using the pen liner from Blue Heaven. So I'll be drawing here a wing liner. Wing liner drawing is a bit tricky, I know, but practice makes a woman perfect. You practice, and you will be master with it one day. I have also practiced a lot. I wasn't a master at all. Seriously, trust me. At first, when I used to draw like a wing liner with a pen liner or any kind of liner, it made me look like a panda. It was all over my eyes. Oh my god. But still, pen liner is easy to use than those other liquid liners. So while drawing this kind of wing liners, I generally prefer pen liners. So one of my eyes is done. I'm doing my other eye. You can have a look how I'm doing. Just try to keep your hand steady. A steady hand will change the game totally, darlings. So just see. And this time I have not fast forwarded my video, so you can actually see how to get ready within 7 minutes. And 7 minutes, it's a very less time. It's just like your friend standing at the door and you can see, wait, I'm wearing my shoes and I'm coming. And you're ready. They won't get it also. Fine, I think I'm done with my eyelids. I love drawing wing liners. And the final step is nothing but the lipstick. Here I'm using Lakme 925 lipstick in the shade Blush Velvet. It's one of my most favorite shade actually. It's a pinkish, nudish, mauvish color, and I totally love this color. And actually it stays for a very, very, very long time. Trust me, I will one day give you a video with it, with a wear test, that you can see it actually doesn't need. Okay, so this is the final look. And this is a very easy makeup tutorial. I hope you like this makeup look. You can try it at your home, and I have given all the product descriptions even in the description box below. So if you really like this look, please subscribe and Dhyani Rani, and please do not forget to press the bell button, and have a wonderful day ahead. Love you a lot and keep safe. Spread love. Thank you.